On August 5th, the BLS released the monthly NFP data, which reported a much higher than expected 528,000 jobs added in July, more than twice as high as consensus estimates. Treasury yields across the board rallied as the two-year moved from 3.06% up to 3.25%, and the 10-year moved from 2.7% up to 2.85%. Underperformance of 10-year yields and the widening of the 2s versus 10s inversion was conspicuous for a couple reasons. Many believed that the market was saying that the Fed had little choice now but to remain highly aggressive in their hiking of short-end rates, even if it brought the domestic economy close or into a recession. The Fed funds curve also pulled short-end hikes forward and began to price in rate cuts as early as next year. The CME FedWatch tool currently says that there's a 70% chance of a 75 basis point hike at the September 21st FOMC meeting. That measure had predicted a 70% chance of a 50 basis point hike just prior to the NFP release. Of course, all this movement comes days before the August 10th release of CPI number that's anticipating a year-over-year increase of 8.7%. If this number comes in significantly lower than expected, it could rapidly change Fed expectations and renew talks of a soft landing. If a trader believes that the recent relative weakness in the 10-year is a signal that yields could fall from here, they could express that by selling the August micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 2.81 and target a return to the April lows of 2.35. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 3.10. This trade could make $460 if your target is reached and risks $290 if you're stopped out of your level. If a trader believes that the 10-year yields could rally from here, perhaps on economic improvement, they could express that by buying the August micro 10-year Treasury yield futures contract at 2.81 and target a return to June highs of 3.45. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 2.49. This trade could make $640 if your target is reached and risks $320 if you're stopped out of your level.